Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Terriell, and today is day 17 of your 30-day Pilates journey. Today, if we're focusing on anything at all, it's that movement is joyful. So don't worry about the technique. But also just focus on how much fun you're having, because this is fun. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna have you spin around onto your mat. Today we're gonna start a little bit differently. It's not the 100. So go ahead and bring your knees into your chest. Ooh, yeah. And then press your palms by your sides. Now, from here, we want to open the chest, pull the belly in, come into a frog position, the heels together, the toes slightly apart, and then go ahead and frog your legs out, staying flat through the back, and frog your legs in. So right away, you'll feel your low abs working hard and in. And we'll keep the belly pulling in, trying to work that scoop in and up as you do this, keeping everything stable. Good. 3 more here. Last 2. And last 1. Now pull your knees in, big toes together, knees together. Squeeze your inner thighs. This time we'll curl up, stretching your fingertips towards the front edge of your mat. Now reach your legs out. Squeeze those inner thighs as you pull in. Reach out, pull in, and out, and in. Let's go 3 more. Last 2. 1 more time. Pull in and then lower your head all the way down. Whew, now flex your feet, working in those ankles, and lift your head up again. This time we'll take the arms right behind the back of the head with elbows wide. Now push your legs out, the inner thighs stay together. Pull in, reach out and in, reach out and in. Let's go 3 more times and in. Last 2 and in. 1 more time and in, and then lower your head down. From here, we'll curl up just once more, keeping those elbows wide. Pilates stance your feet, heels together, toes apart, knees wide, and send the legs all the way out. From there, we'll flex the feet, point the feet as the thighs spiral and squeeze together. Work that curl forward and up from your breastbone and pull your low belly button into the spine. Point and flex. Keep working those feet and ankles. Let's go 3 more here. Last 2 times. And 1. Oh, my abs are shaking. Pull your knees in and lower your head, neck, and shoulders. Whew, all right. Some roll-ups are next. So we'll take the legs long, stretch your arms up and back behind you, and then go ahead and go a little bit open with your legs just to give your back a bit more space to roll. Now we'll take the arms up, the head up, and peel your spine off the mat. Send it forward, taking a deep dive, dropping your head down, pulling your waist backward, and then start to roll back down, bone by bone, inch by inch, slow and controlled. We'll take the arms back. Inhale, exhale, peel your spine off the mat. Feel the joy as you stretch forward, and then send it all the way down, slow and controlled. We got 3 more. Inhale, back, exhale, up, inhale, reach it front, and exhale, roll it down. 2 more times. In with the air, reach back. Exhale, work that scoop on the way up. Inhale, big stretch. Exhale, roll down. 1 more time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, stretch it forward, and then we'll stay up on this one. Now move forward along your mat a little bit for some rolling like a ball. We'll hug the knees into the chest and grab onto your ankles. Find a little balance. And then draw your chin down, rounding through the spine. Let's rock and roll. We'll go for 4 here. All the way back and up. 3 more times. All the way back, all the way up. Ooh, finding balance. 2 more. 1 more time. Good. Adding an extra challenge. Let your hands hover off the shins and go for it. Rocking back, keeping this shape. Staying as small as possible in your ball. 2 more like that. Rock it back, rock it up. 1 more time, all the way back, all the way up to find balance. Hold it. Good. Now draw your knees in a little bit closer. Touch your elbows to your knees. Stay rounded in your ball position, and let's go roll like a ball, like this. Rock it back, all the way up, and rock it back. All the way up. Don't let those elbows and knees come apart. You got 2 more. All the way back. All the way up. 1 more time. Rock it back. Rock it up. Hold it there. And then go ahead and rest those legs down. All right, from here, we'll take it down to the mat, pulling knees into the chest. And now we'll take the hands behind the head, palm over palm, elbows wide, and take a curl from your breastbone. Right away, we're going into crisscross. So I want you to twist to your right, elbow to knee, send the left leg long, and then go ahead and switch up and over to the side. And switch up and over to the side, and up and over. Let's add a fun tempo. So I want you to switch 3, 2, 1, and hold. 3, 2, 1. Switch again. 3, 2, and 1, and hold it. 3, 2, and 1. And switch 3 times. 3, 2, and 1, and hold it. 3, lift up higher. 2, 1. Last time here. Switch it. 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Curl up higher. 3, 2, 1. Now pull your knees in. Rest the head, neck, and shoulders down. From there, let's rock and roll up to sit to stretch the legs long. Scoot back a little bit. And then send your hands out in front of your chest for spine stretch. We'll do one big deep spine stretch here. So drop your head down, rounding forward, pulling into your waist. Good. Sending it out and over, out and over, out and over. The head is heavy. And then roll yourself all the way up, bone by bone, inch by inch, and lift really, really tall through your spine. Good. All right, from here, let's kick the legs up into the hands or bend the knees, grab on, and climb up. Whatever works for you. We're in our open leg rocker position, finding balance. And then we'll try 3 nice and clean open leg rockers. Let's see how it goes. Round the back to rock back, come up, lift the chest, balance at the top. 2 more, round the back, rock back, all the way up, whoop, and lift. 1 more time, round the back, rock back, and all the way up and lift the chest. Now squeeze those legs together, teaser 1, reach your arms out, find your balance, keep your legs frozen in space, roll down to the tips of your shoulder blades, roll right back up. Whoo. Roll down to your shoulder blades, roll right back up. 1 more time, roll it down. You got this. Roll right back up, hold it there, and then roll everything down with control until you're flat on your back on the mat. From here, we'll do some corkscrews. So I want you to bring your arms long by your sides, bring your knees in, send your legs straight up to the ceiling. Now, abs are tight, hips are heavy. Let's keep the hips heavy down as you take the legs to the right, and then circle them down and around to the left. And this is small. It's kind of the width of your shoulders or your mat, not too wide. Just a little baby twist from your lower back as you reach the legs around in circle and lift them back up. Let's go 1 more to the left. And then hold those legs at the top, hug them in. Good, awesome job. And go ahead and rock and roll all the way up to a seated position. From here, I want you to come to kneel tall, right in the center of your mat. So we've been in this position before. The arms go out to the side in a T. Let's kickstand the right foot out and then reach out so that left arm is down on the mat. Right hand behind the back of your head. Kneeling side kicks. So now your top leg will lift up and it'll hold. It gets longer and it lifts a little bit higher. And then we'll glide it forward, glide it back, glide it forward, glide it back, keeping your balance and your top elbow reaching straight up to the sky. You have 2 more here. And reach 1 more time. And reach it back. Now find center with that leg. Keep it up for 5, higher 4, higher 3, higher 2, higher 1. And then all at once, we'll come back to our starting position into a T, 2 knees down. Left leg reaches, right arm reaches down to the mat. Find your side kick position, nice and balanced. Lift your top leg up, and then we'll send it forward 5 times. And reach, and 4, and reach. 3 more. Send it back. Last 2 times here. Reach it back. 1 more to the front, and send it back. Find your center, lift that leg higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all at once, you're back into your T. Now, go ahead and have a seat in the center of your mat. We'll do some seal to end out our practice today. So I want you to pull your knees in, heels together, toes apart. Make some prayer hands, dive them in between your legs, and wrap the palms around the front of your ankles. Now find a balance here, drawing your tailbone under, pushing your forearms into your inner thighs, your thighs into your forearms. We'll clap the feet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, happy feet. Rock back, clap, 1, 2, 3, and rock up, 1, 2, 3. Rock back, 1, 2, 3, rock up, 1, 2, 3. You got 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and up, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and up, 1, 2, 3. Last time here, 1, 2, 3. All the way up, 1, 2, 3. Whew, and go ahead and set your feet down. You have made it through day 17. I hope it was a joyful practice for you today. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 18. Bye for now.